Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from and when you're seeing this video. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're highly appreciated. But if this is the first time you're seeing my video, you're coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to help me grow this channel by subscribing to my channel. So in today's episode of All of Nature, we'll be making Zobo drink. The ingredients I have for this drink are Zobo leaves, cloves, ginger, garlic, cinnamon sticks, flavors. I have orange flavor, tropical flavor, cola flavor. I have frozen watermelon, frozen because we ate the other half 2 days ago and I didn't want to risk it spoiling, so I had to freeze it. Then I have pineapple, cucumber, orange, and dates. First of all, I washed the Zobo leaves, then put it inside the pot, went in with my cloves, cinnamon stick, pounded the ginger and garlic together, then went in with them. Then the pineapple, I cut it, we ate some, then used the rest for the Zobo making. Then I went in with the watermelon. So after this, after putting all of this inside the pot, I poured water into it, then covered it. I boiled this for 30 minutes. Then when it was 30 minutes, I turned off the gas and allowed it to cool. For the dates, I forgot to soak it hours before I even started making the Zobo drink. So because of that, I soaked it with hot water. But first of all, I broke it into pieces, then soaked it with hot water. Then when it got soft, I pounded it again. But I went through all this stress because I don't have blender. My blender spoiled. But if you have blender, you can just go ahead and blend it either dried or wet. Then pour the whole thing directly inside your Zobo drink. You don't even have to go through the stress of sieving it unless your blender does not blend things smoothly. Then the Zobo is cool now, so I'm trying to sieve it to get just the liquid and get rid of all the other residues because their work is done. When I was done with this, I had to kind of squeeze it. I hope my method of squeezing it does not irritate you. There was no other way I could do it other than using my hand. And I promise you, I washed those hands thoroughly before making use of them. At this point, I'm trying to extract the date juice. I've already finished pounding it. Now I'm extracting it. I mixed it with water to make it easier for me. Then here I'm sieving it. After that, I trashed the residue. So after that, I removed the sieve. Then went in with the cucumber, cut the cucumber into cubes. Yes, cucumber is the last thing you add. Okay, not really the last thing, but one of the last things you add because I leave it inside the Zobo till it finishes. Then went in with the flavors. After that, the Zobo is ready. So after I was done boiling it, I used sachet water to make up for the rest of the liquid that I needed, to make up for the rest of the quantity that I needed, because I won't be boiling it again. I won't go back and start boiling it again. For the flavors, I used half sachets of each of them, of each of the flavors. Zobo is ready for consumption. If you're not comfortable leaving your cucumber inside the Zobo drink, you can remove them after like 2 hours. Then you must have gotten the flavors you need. But for me, I leave it there till the Zobo finishes. So this is how I make the Zobo drink. And if you use all these ingredients, you're going to get the best taste of Zobo drink ever. It can be served with okpa. Like the doctor of the future said, we should eat okpa with Zobo and not the soda drinks. So you eat your okpa with Zobo like I'm eating mine. You can eat the cucumber or you can trash it after drinking the Zobo. But me, I choose to eat mine. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop me a comment. Bye.